How to apply for Best Buy credit card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Best Buy credit card and tap on the very first option you see there. You will then see the Apply Now option, tap on that. You will further be asked to fill in or review your contact information. If you want to update your information, tap on the Update Your Information option. Once done, tap on the Confirm and Continue button. You will now be required to fill in the application shown to you. So, go ahead and start filling in the application by entering the required details. You will first be required to fill in your personal information. Tap on Continue once done. You will then be required to enter your full address. So go ahead and enter the correct address as this is really important, and now tap on the Continue button. Further, enter your residence status, monthly housing payment, date of birth, total annual net income, and social security number. Once entered, tap on the Continue button and further follow the on-screen prompts to complete the application process. So, this is how you can apply for Best Buy credit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.